Hey, it's ETH here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 4-hour time frame, and let's start with the bullish counts. We had two bullish counts today to go over. So one of them is saying that we have a 1, 2 here, 3, 4 and 5, completing it up here. We did not hit the target of 0.618 extension here, which would be again expecting or saying that wave 3 did not extend as it did not even go to the one. Sorry, that is a wrong extension here. I don't know. Oh, that's target for wave 5. Let me pull that fib again. There we go. So 1, 2 there, and we can see that wave 3 did not hit this target here. It is close, but it did not hit it, so we could be expecting higher prices here for the wave 5. So one of the scenarios is that if this indeed is considered the wave 3 up here, then we would have wave 4 here, and then this would be another 1, 2 possibly, 3, 4 and 5. Then we would get back to these higher time frame or higher targets for the wave 5 that we would be expecting as wave 3 did not extend. The other scenario is that wave 3 did not end here, but instead we had this as a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, A, B and C into 4 and then 5. This is a bit unlikelier as wave 4 did go to the 0.618 here. So it does not really make too much sense overall. However, we do have that divergence still in play here between the 3rd and 5th, which is expected again of the 3rd and 5th moves. Also, wave 4 does not invalidate or get into the wave 1 area, so that is also fine. So no rules broken, just guidelines here. So on these expectations, we would be looking for some kind of pullback here. We have retraced the 23.6% area, and now we would be possibly looking for the 38.2 or just reverting back higher now. We'll look into this structure here in just a moment as well, but before that we'll just go through the bearish scenario. Let's take a look at the target for the wave 5. Now that we have gone beyond the 1.618, we don't really need to be having an extension too much overall. So let's see that if it is extended, we could be looking at wave 5 targets like so. Is this right? Yep. So this would be around $1,900 for Ethereum. At that point again, we would be getting right around these areas where we have the previous range, a very large volume area. So definitely going to be having resistance basically all the way from $1,700 upwards. Now, the bearish scenario is a bit different than the previous one that I had shown you on previous videos. In this one, I've talked myself into saying that this is A, then B, and then C into W. We did not get to the 1.618 here. After that, usually it is going to be a wave 3 instead of wave C. So that is still pretty good looking here. At the moment, this would bring us to wave W here. Oops. And then we would be looking at this as a 3-way structure into wave X. We would have this as a 32 retracement of this W wave for the X wave, which would again be the minimum we want to see for a 3-wave move. Since then, we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a possible A wave, looking for retracement here for the B and then higher for the C. So that is basically that. See where targets, if we are currently pivoting, we would be looking at 0.618, which is again the minimum for the ABC move, around $1,824, and the higher time frame WXY, again 0.618 minimum target, $1,820. Both of them are lining up very well here. This was the range value area low of this structure here, so there is definitely going to be some interest in here to at least take profit here and then possibly even turn downwards. 1-to-1 extension of this higher WXY would be all the way around $2,100, which would again be a range value area high. 1-to-1 extension of this ABC here would be around 1987, where we have the point of control. All of these are very significant moves, and we even have a daily there as well, and significant areas to look for resistance. So if this is going to be getting that bullish move, we'll see. But yeah, that is pretty much those. Let's take a look at the closer structures that we had here. So what we had overall, let's open the bearish scenario, for example, is a 5-way move here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then looking for W, X, and then Y. We are right around the 0.5 now for the AB move, so that would make some sense that we could be looking for a pivot right now. Let's take a look at the extension here. We are right around the 1.618 as well for the wave Y. If it goes beyond that and stays there, then I would be considering this invalid. At the moment, although it tagged it, it is not staying there, at least at the moment. We are getting some kind of pullback here. My count is suggesting that we can have an ending right now here. We do have that divergence between the 3rd and 5th that we were expecting for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenario here, and in here we would have again 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So overall A, B, and C. To me, this looks pretty good. Although there is no structural support here to mention too much, there is some structure here that we can see that we have tested, rejected off of it, and then back tested. And that would be area where we are basically currently at. So it is possible that we are reverting up higher. On the very small time frame, can we even see this? This is again Bitstamp because I had the most data on this exchange. Could we have this as a 5-way move? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's possible. It is possible. This would be the 3rd highest RSI. Would kind of make sense. 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it could be, and this could be the start. Of course, this is very small time frame stuff, and if you're looking for that in Elliott Wave, I wouldn't look at that small time frame. But again, if it is possible, at least look at the divergence. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today on Ethereum. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.